Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. What did I tell you about AA? What did I tell you? You know, let's grab some Mike's Hard Mango. I don't think you can even see it. There we go, Hard Mango. So let's you know, we made a couple grand on those flips. Let's pop it open, okay? And you know, cheers, guys. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is your boy Shades and Trades here. We're looking at BTC 97.392. We are getting buyers buying the dip. If we break out above 97, 98, we will see this stock go to $100,000 plus. Okay, guys, this is very important. This is very important. If we can break that 100K, if this is going to be just a consolidation phase before that next leg up, which I believe will happen because this was the downtrend, this is the bull run. Look at the past. Where's the downtrend? This is the bull run. This is the huge downtrend. Okay, you see similarities there? Huge downtrend, huge downtrend, huge. There's the big bottom. You know, you guys know I love big bottoms. There's the big bottom down there at 15K. I remember seeing Bitcoin at 15K and being like, oh well, I'll buy the Bitcoin miners because they're cheap. I didn't buy the Bitcoin miners because they were cheap because I was stupid back then. I didn't know what I was doing back then. I didn't. I was like, oh, I'm scared. I'm not going to buy. Now we know we want to buy during the bear market and take advantage of the cheap prices because in the bull run, look at that steep trend. This looks like it's getting ready to break out in my opinion. So I'm probably going to buy some Bitcoin mining, just a small position. I like to swing trade and take advantage of the 20%, 15% volatility that Mara or Riot stock can get. That's just kind of how they are. I mean, look at BTC. Look at these huge volatile moves, followed by some consolidation and then leg up. Consolidation, leg up. Is that what's going to happen next? So that's what we're looking out for here on BTC. So with respect to that Riot stock, I'm looking for a breakout as well. I might throw 100 shares at it. I am looking to see if how this candle closes today. That's what I'm looking for. How will this close today? Are we going to close green? Red? Because right now it's 10 a.m. So if this breaks down and comes back down here, it's not going to look good. It's not a good look if there's a big red candle. It looks good right now, but you know, we want to see strength here, especially at this level. So for the time being, I'm not going to touch anything. I'll wait till end of day to alert if I see anything juicy. And with regards to Mara, same thing. They follow each other. You can see Mara is right at the top of this range here. So it's kind of like, do I want to buy here? I don't know. I don't know if I want to buy here personally. We did get an update on the Bitcoin production and mining operations. Let's take a look at that. They might have some juicy info here. But yeah, Mara, you know, buyers are stepping in, but we'll see how it closes end of day. Because end of day, it could still sell off and we have a big red candle and we might just come down, right? So, and especially being at a top, when you're at a top and you're seeing kind of the struggle to go any higher, you're seeing the struggle between buyers and sellers. The sellers win. I mean, we're just going to come down. So that's that candle and that body of that candle and how it closes is going to be huge and telling for the future, not just of BTC, but also whether Mara goes to 30 plus, which it can do. So let's look at the Mara here. I'm pulling it up. Mara, the Bitcoin production and mining operations. I wonder if you can hear the typing in the background. There we go. This came out 3 hours ago. Interesting. Okay. No, I do not want to scan anything. November was a record-breaking month for Mara. Well, of course, with that huge pump, it was a record-breaking profit for a lot of people. With our mining operations achieving unprecedented levels of production driven by the successful deployment of additional miners and enhanced operational efficiency, we mined 254 blocks, a 20% increase over October and the most blocks in a month on record. Okay, let's see. Bitcoin HODL edition. HODL. Mined 907. purchase 6,000. So total 7,381. As a miner who mines and buys Bitcoin, the hybrid approach provides a significant flexibility to acquire Bitcoin at attractive prices. Why weren't they doing this before? It's not until MSTR started doing it. That's crazy. Someone else had to do it first, I guess. But that doesn't make sense. Why wouldn't you want to buy Bitcoin when it's cheap? It further allows us to capitalize on market conditions by buying BTC during price declines. That's what see, they know the name of the game. It's called buying when it's cheap. Optimizing our acquisition costs. Yeah, the dual approach strengthens their position. It does, as long as they, as long as they're not buying tops. Even then, because they're a company, they can hold long term. They can hold 10, 20, 30, 50 years. Hell, they can hold 300 years. It don't matter, because as long as the company's still around with a what's the word I'm looking for? With a capable CEO and team behind it, then they could literally buy the top, and as long as Bitcoin continues to climb higher, it's going to be money in the bank. Because we don't live forever, but if I die, my Bitcoin kind of dies with me, right? I don't have children or anything. Who am I going to pass it on to? So you kind of have to have children, and you have to hope that they don't just what I'm saying? Like a company they can just hold it on forever. A company doesn't die unless they go to zero somehow. Well, that would require Bitcoin to go to zero, which would be odd. Okay, let's see. Investor notice. Okay, that's it. That was their update. Yeah, their update was, hey, we're gonna start buying we're gonna start buying Bitcoin like the retail. We're just gonna buy when it gets cheap on declines. Because they were just mining them beforehand. I wonder if did Riot come out with one as well, or no? They didn't come out with an announcement of any kind here. We got price target raises to $20, $15, $15, $18. A lot of these price targets for Riot specifically are at $15 plus, and it's sitting at $12.48. But again, we need to see a strong candle close here. Let's see what else. I think that's it. I don't think is CLSK still around. I rarely look at the other ones because I don't really care. I can't trade every single one of them. CLSK is actually showing a little more strength here. Look at that green candle. But again, what matters is how it closes. Oh, it's got earnings coming up on the 2nd. Wait, that's today. What am I saying? Okay, yeah, then I'm not touching that. What's another one? BTBT. Look at BTBT, beautiful. Again, at a top. So. But if this breaks out, we can go to 574. I remember holding a bag on this one at $5. I sold it off once it hit 550-ish. I sold off the bag that I had. Because I bought like the top bag here. And then it came down and I was like, oh, I guess I'm holding a bag. And then it came up for me. So that's kind of like the beauty of... I didn't know any better. I was chasing because I'm like, oh my god, we're going to the moon. I was so stupid not that long ago. But yeah, now I know you don't want to buy BTBT when it's up here. If anything, if I'm going to flip it, I'll probably just buy 100 shares. And I'll take the loss if it goes down. That's kind of like the game plan. Right. Is there another one? I feel like I'm missing one more. BitF. Isn't that one getting acquired? Yeah, you can see, I show you the charts and you can see very clearly they're all kind of, doing the same thing. They're kind of just going nowhere today. So keep an eye on how it closes. If you're in the Discord, I will be alerting probably 100 shares just to add and flip. I don't think... Wow, Cyberluck is up 25%. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.